The daily intraday review is proudly brought to you by our visual trade journal. It's software for price action traders. It's a visual trade journal, meaning you can drag and drop right on your chart, rate your outcomes, rate your predictions, all on the chart. It's different than anything that's out there. Come and check us out at intradayreview.com. Hello, this is yesterday's price action from the EURUSD 3-minute chart. It was a spike and weak bull channel, triple test reversal. Let's jump up to the 15-minute chart and take a look how it formed. So we're inside this range. We've had a triple test and it has failed, and we have created the two legs down. We've then created another wedge at the bottom, and we've teed it off up. So we'll go in and take a look at the trades. The first trade comes as we break out of this range. We've got two ranges in there. We've got this smaller blue range and the bigger overall orange range. So we have a failed breakout. We get a strong spike up. It's strong enough to expect a second leg up. So taking the first entry long is probably a good option. So the first pullback. We then hit the resistance level, so make sure you're looking at your horizontal resistance. Where's the next high? We hit that level. We micro double top. We've also triple tested across here. You may wish to take, once you've realized that we're channeling here, you may wish to take any of these little trades for scalps, but I've left them out because there's not much room there. You'd have to get in pretty low to take those trades. Yeah, so there's a micro double top, then a second micro double top. It's probably safer to take the second one. We're still far enough from the EMA to get a scalp. You may be thinking we may get a retest of this high, but it fails. So if you hold off and you don't take that, that's not a good signal bar. And you get the failure, you can expect that other leg down. We then channel, so we get our three pushes: one push, two push, three pushes. We then push very strongly up above the EMA, and then we create a double bottom. So that's a pretty good entry to go long on, expecting a test of at least up to the double top here, which could be a failed triple top, and which is what happens. So after the spike, we get a little bit of a pullback. You may be thinking, yeah, two legs up, so you can take that trade. And then we get this here. We get the overshoot, creates a little bit of a range. And it's a bit tricky here. So we have a first attempt down, we pull up, we have a second attempt down, and that fails. And it does look like we may break out of this triple top a little bit here. So you could get trapped. If you get trapped, exit. We are looking to go short. So your expectation at this point is short here. We're hitting a triple top. So if that doesn't happen, wait for follow through before you jump on. But if we do fail, you can jump in and you'll get the two bigger legs. We're on a bigger channel. And this is a weak channel. It never gets to the second test because of this triple top. It cuts the channel short, but this it then spikes down to create this other channel. But this is still in play, this channel, so you've got to be weary, even though we're expecting the two big legs down. But taking the first short after the first pullback or first pull bar is probably a good option. Just holding all the way down for the two legs, or waiting for it to come back to the EMA. And taking that second entry short there. As you know now, it's probably going to channel, so you should have your channel in there, and you can wait for that third push before you exit. And that was the price action from yesterday.